So this dingleberry got us up at 5:30 because he thought he needed breakfast. So now we're outside peeing. I mean, he's peeing outside, but I'm out here letting him go to the bathroom. It's 5:40. I should still be sleeping.
Oh, hi. Good morning. Good morning.
A little bit of a talker in the morning. Look at that.
Yeah. It's 6:40. Hudson has eaten breakfast. Gone outside.
We showed us being outside early.
He cuddled with me for a little bit.
He just is a sweet boy in the morning. He needs his cuddles. And he's so clean. He feels so nice. What was for breakfast?
Terrible stuff. You can choose a couple options and they're all bad.
You gave Hudson a piece of sausage. I mean, he looks pretty happy about it.
I had Fudge bar instead.
And I'm gonna have coffee. The coffee's good. We're heading to drop off John's car to the mechanic shop. I had to do some rearranging in the back of my car. Absolute disaster right now. Absolute disaster. Because we have to get John in this car after we drop his off. And then we're doing laundry, so it's just a mess back there. Just dropped his car off. Hudson is not gonna be happy. Hudson, you gotta move to the back. Come on. Move to the back. I know, I'm sorry. You were like less unhappy than I thought you were gonna be about it.
It's because it's morning.
He's tired. He's still not super happy.
Yeah, I know. Just dropped off my car, getting blinded by some light. We're on our way to the laundromat. We're getting our laundry.
There's a lot of it.
Yeah.
Hudson and I are off, headed to Buffalo Park or something. We're gonna go on a short little walk while John does laundry. We made it. We're at the Buffalo Park. Now we're gonna go find a trail. Ooh, it's freaking chilly out. Hold on, dude. Hold on, dude. Going in the Buffalo Park. So this park is actually pretty neat. It's got like a bunch of these paths that you can choose from. We are apparently, I have no idea what trail we're going on. We're just gonna walk. We got like 30 minutes. It's beautiful out here. And look at him, he's so clean. So fresh and clean. It feels like it's about 30 degrees out here. It's freaking cold. I don't know who got the better end of the deal. Me walking or John doing laundry. Probably me. Probably me. So Hudson is on leash, as you can see. I haven't let him off. But he wandered into some of this brush here, and he stepped on like two spiky little cactus type things. Got one in his front right paw and left rear. He got two cactus spikes, one in his front paw, one in his rear paw, both on his right side. But I pulled him out and he's good now. Hudson and I just finished our walk. It is 36 degrees out. It was a cute little park. Now we're gonna head back to the laundromat. We got about a 15-minute drive and Johnny is almost done with the laundry, so should be pretty good timing. Look at this. Laundry time. Done?
4 minutes left.
4 minutes. That's pretty good timing.
We're heading back to the hotel. Just finished the laundry. That's it.
We're back at the hotel now. Brought in all the laundry. Our room is a disaster. But I'm folding / laying out any laundry that is not fully dried. My car's right out there. It's freaking cold in here.
So, my truck is bad. I knew it was bad. My rear end has metallic fragments in it, which I've had problems with the rear end nonstop with this thing.
You've had different people look at it too, though.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, it's been replaced, but the shop that did it was terrible.
So what is this shop gonna do?
Well, right now, he said he just was getting confirmation. He said they took a sample of the fluid and found metallic fragments in it, and he's asking my permission to crack open the rear end and see what's actually going on, and then he'll give me a call back when they figure out what's wrong. But he's like, we also found metallic fragments in the front too. He's like, but I'd be more concerned with the rear end right now, and so they'll call me back when they figure that out. Hudson didn't appreciate me coming over on the bed with them.
Yeah, John wanted to come see what I was working on over here. Hudson was laying on the bed with me. He's now moved over to lay on Johnny's clothes. Right, Huts? You like your space. We're gonna go pick up Papa John's. All of us. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Let's go.
Made it to Papa John's. Just got the pizza.
Johnny's gotta take it.
Yeah.
I'll open the door for you.
Getting into the car.
Move over, Huts. Back up. How's it going?
It's good. Oops. Alright, I think I'm in. Ugh. Hudson has just been staring very interestingly at me.
He's so handsome.
Made it back in. This is the chicken pizza.
Breaking into the pizza. They gave you some garlic dipping sauce that I'm trying out.
Very good.
John's eating the chicken pizza. I'm having some pepperoni stuffed crust. Hudson and I are heading out. We're gonna go for another walk. We're actually gonna go back to where we went this morning. Back to Buffalo Park. Hudson's taking a pee real quick. But John is gonna stay at the hotel, get some work done, maybe take a shower, and I'm gonna walk him for an hour because he's been good and he deserves a little outside time here. We're back. Parked by this tree. We're just starting out and it's 2:30 right now, which means we're walking till at least 3:30. So we're walking on the McMillan Mesa Trail. I didn't look at a map or anything, so I don't know how long any of these trails are. But, like I said, we're out here for a time, so I don't really care which trail we choose. Probably just do out and back, unless it's short enough that we end up looping around before the half-hour point to turn around. He's pretty pumped. He's pretty pumped to be out here. The trail splits over right here. We walked that direction originally, but it kind of led towards the road, so now we're going this way. I'll just give you guys a quick view of what this park looks like. All the mountains and grass. It's very pretty. Flagstaff is actually like an area in Arizona that has a lot of trees. We're gonna go climb on these rocks. Look over here. You wanna climb up here? You can take a picture. Come here. Come up here. Oh yeah. Good boy. Look at you. Property boundary. National forest land beyond this. Oh, we're on national forest land. Cool. Don't tell anyone, but I'm about to let him off his leash for some freedom time. Alright, you ready? A little bit of free time. We're hiking a small piece of the Arizona Trail, which actually runs up through the Grand Canyon, so we've been on it at another point too. It's our second spot on the Arizona Trail. Maybe someday we'll hike the whole thing. We're getting slightly further into the woods. Probably only going to let him walk this way another 10 minutes, because I don't want to go down too much more. We're climbing back up and out of the Arizona Trail now. Freedom time is almost over. I'm back on the leash because unfortunately we are back to Buffalo Park, so the freedom time is over. We are done. We're back in the car and we're about to go back to the hotel. We're kind of hot, honestly. It's 66 now. A lot warmer than when we walked earlier. headed back to the hotel. We are hot. We need the AC on. And just like that, we're back. Alright, give me an update on your car.
Update, good news and bad news. Good news is probably not going to cost me a fortune. Bad news is they have no idea where the metal came from. So he said they're buttoning up the rear end back up right now. They're going to fill it with fluid, take it for a test drive, and then they're going to look at my front end tonight. And they were thinking, basically, it was a quick conversation. I don't remember what the words were, but basically, my four-wheel drive system is not fully disengaging up in front, and so they think that's what's causing problems up front, or the noise up front, is that it's
always partially on.
It might be on, it might be off. Like I don't know. They haven't fully looked at it yet, but like he said, that's basically what they're suspecting up front. Good news is my problem's still not fixed.
But he's gonna get his car back, and it's not gonna be a lot, probably. We'll see. We'll see in the morning.
So, Hudson over there is dead out.
He's the king of comfort.
Yeah.
Have a busy morning.
Yeah, tomorrow morning's gonna be hectic. We gotta load everything in this room into Jess's car.
To then transfer it to Johnny's.
Yeah, to then get to the repair shop and then transfer everything over into my truck, which should be done, but there's no guarantee it is done.